Looks really good, and the box doesn't really move. You got it braced down good. Hey, switch the vehicle. Hey, go do that, yeah. All right. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
You want to check out some of the equipment on this side?
Yeah, we'll do that. Nice.
Yeah, buddy.
Looks really good, and the box doesn't really move. You got it braced down good. Hey, switch the vehicle.
Move that.
Yeah, you gotta move that, yeah. All right.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to go to a fourth quarter on a 12K.
Okay.
I'm on my goal below.
What's up, man? So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Yeah. I got AC too.
Okay.
My name's Tyler Evans, Team Board Vision. I got 2 Sundown Audio XP318s on a single DS18 KO 5K.
Okay.
Wired at 0.5, box rising up to 2.3.
Okay.
I was having electrical issues earlier. I was dealing with 10 bolts. But now I got it fixed.
Okay.
The box is 6 cubes, 2 to 32. It's the wrong box for the subs, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
If it's info to give you a little more room too.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Nice.
hell definitely. Robert guy told me that if you do mount them regular, that it might punch harder, but I don't like those. So I'm building for those.
Okay.
My doors, I've got 2 DS18 Pro 6.5s and the DS18 Pro tweets up front on a Wolfram 250.4 Artic Wolf.
All right. Who built the box?
Ted White out of Virginia from DGAF Productions.
Okay. Nice. And what is the SPL score if you tested it?
It done at 29 hertz. It done a 149.3. It has broken 150. It broke 150 when they was brand new. It done a 152.7 at 39.
Okay.
Truck peaks at 44.
Nice. All right. Yeah, I love to hear it, man.
I can get you on the lows a little bit.
Okay.
That's kind of high, but
Yeah.
I can only do so much.
Yeah, man.
I'll hit you with some lows, then I'll get you with a little punch.
I'll hear one more. Yep, you have a good day. You too, man. Glad you're having a good day. Yeah, man. You too.
You want to check out some of the equipment on this side?
Yeah, we'll do that.